Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Boy, it feel good to be outside dogging the cat. Alright y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. We got the Peas mobile right here, the fake ZL1, header tune and E. We got the beautiful Blueberry. Blueberry got perfect fitment, as y'all can see, through the spacers on the back and the Lawrence springs on. I couldn't throw it on the front though, cause to do it I gotta modify my stock studs. I ain't trying to do all that. So we gonna keep it with this setup right here. This car looks so beautiful. Then we got header tune Cam E 1LE. The TJ mobile. But yeah, man, we finna be dogging, you feel me? Dogging the road. We hitting the gas on everything. But I'll catch y'all boys in the car.
Ride with hella still like a marksman, man. I do the fuck I want, you gonna do what you can. Pull off the impossible, dunk on nigga in new van. A lot of these hoes don't know how to suck dick, but baby, I know you can. Get the fuck out of A, finna move out of state. I'm trying to go get some new.
Boy, it feel good to be outside dogging the cat. I rarely even have time to get daytime vids. I be so busy during the day. By the time the sun go down, you feel me? I be careful, boy. Well, my car be popping now, man. I gotta be careful. I know there's a bump somewhere over here. Bro, this road's so terrible, like. Audi behind me with this 360 cam on. No, they're leaving me. Moving. Oh, I hear that Audi sneezing, boy. I love that sound. What are you hitting the brake for? Boy, don't go. Oh, now he want to move out of the way. American muscle, boy. Damn, this gotta be one of the worst highways ever, gang. This road is terrible, bro. I can't even like keep my car straight for real. I'm driving on that highway, bro. All I hear is beep. Bro, that probably caved my exhaust in, bro. I'm about to sue the city. Damn. My 360 on? Fuck. Jesus Christ. Bro. These bumps literally gonna be the death of me. Peas ain't want no smoke from the light. That boy Peas don't want no dig smoke. God damn, nigga. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. We gotta chill over here, man. We right by Karen Woods now. Gotta head to Bass Pro Shop, re-up on some ammo real quick. Smell the E85 coming out of TJ car. Bro, get out of the way. Oh boy, oh boy. I seen a huge pothole, man. I almost about took us out the game. Alright, y'all boys, man. I appreciate y'all for checking this video out for sure. Make sure y'all boys tap into the rest of this content on this channel, man. We going up all 2026, you feel me? I think this might be my first vid of 2026. I don't know when I'm gonna drop it. It's the last week of 2025 right now as I'm recording this, but make sure y'all boys subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you gotta do. I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
You know we don't pull this everywhere. Hurry, got Paul just tryna step. And baby girl, yo pussy wet here from the back. I pull you out. Forever screaming on renegade. If you my bro, forever spare. We be so hard, say anything, don't get no fuck. I just don't care. I'm eating food while making this, so got no good. Had to grab a chair. I know she mine. Come to my spot, let's go outside, pay for her nails. I buy her part of my